Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have the box from Fashionsta. It's finally here. It is for March, though. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. And so today, as I said in the intro, I have the box by Fashionsta, and it traveled around the world and twice before it came to me, I think, because this is for March, and it's a little late, and here we are, 2 days away from April, and I just got my box. So yeah, so it's okay though, because at least I got the box. And so let's see what's inside. And okay, as some of you may know, this is a subscription box, and it is a monthly subscription box, and it's $34.95 a month. And it is curated with 6 full-size products, and yeah. And let me just open it and explain it to you this way. Here we go. When I open it, there is a card there, Marchology, because this is a March box. And so, and it says, reveal your inner warrior. Yep, the inner warrior. And it's very nice. And it's actually, everything is black and white in this box, I think. Yeah. And even the paper that comes with it. And in the back is the 6 items in the description and the value of, what each of these items are. So it comes nicely wrapped like this. Like I said, it's black and white. I like it because it's kind of classy, And so when you open it up, you have your black noodles, which tend to go everywhere. Look, see, it's already trying to run away from me. And so it goes like this, and some of the stuff are hidden underneath. And so let's see what's hidden. Okay, the first thing I see right here, right on top, is a Sahara Rose I Am a Treasure Hydra Serum. And so here it is. And it looks like a skincare product of some kind. And I'm going to go ahead and read about it for you. And let's see, Sahara Rose, it is a brightening and plumping serum, and it retails for $54. And it is an all-in-one brightening and revitalizing serum packed with a potent vitamin C, powerful antioxidants, super nutrients, and food extracts. It is vegan and cruelty-free. And let's see, it has vitamin C, it says, right? So, what else does it have in here? Because sometimes when you put, it contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid is what it does. And vitamin C, not only is it sensitive to light, but it's also very sensitive to be mixed with a lot of the acids and peptides. Matter of fact, you shouldn't mix it with any kind of peptides because then you kind of kill the effects of one or the other, right? And so, but hyaluronic acid seems to be, it seems to play well with many other things, just like squalene. And so, yeah, let's see what color the bottle is. And yep, here it is. And it is an amber bottle, and it is viscous. And so here we go. And you know what? I could give it a try. And this, according to this, it is only good for 6 months after it's opened. And that's about right. And because, vitamin C does degrade and oxidize when it's exposed to air as well as light. And you know what I like vitamin C's to how they come in is one of those things you cannot get air in it. The pump, not the regular pump, but there's a vacuum pump that Paula's Choice usually uses on products like this. And matter of fact, her product says, a lot of her vitamin C say it's only good for 3 months. And so I think that's more correct in that line of, vitamin C type of thing. But, 6 months is what I generally see in other companies. So, yeah, that's that. And it's $54 as a retail price. And I will put it aside and I will use it because I have a lot of vitamin C stuff that I need to get through. Yeah. Okay, the next thing in here is, looks like, I don't know what that looks like. It looks like brown mustard. But it looks like a lip gloss. Okay, there it is. You see the shade? That's kind of like a unique shade. That's kind of weird. Okay, so let's see what it is, though. And that is what is the company? This is Lip Love. Lip Love. Okay, let's see. Lip Love is a liquid lip gloss and it retails for $12. And this versatile product can be worn as gloss, highlight, or eye color liner for a natural glow that moisturizes and balances your skin. It's vegan. You know, nope. I'm not putting that. That's lip gloss. If it's liquid lipstick, that's different because it dries matte. But lip gloss is kind of sticky. And I don't like anything sticky, especially not near my eyes. Yeah, no. So I will put that in the upcoming giveaways. So that's that. But just because I don't like it doesn't mean that it's not any good. Okay, I want you guys to know that there's certain things that I don't like. And sticky things around my eyes is one of them because I have very, what do you call it? Hanging, God, hello. It's like, I have hooded eyelids. That's what I'm trying to say. And imagine if when it goes up, it gets sticks. I'm not gonna be able to close my eyes. I'm gonna be like, it's stuck. Anyway, so just kidding. Anyway, let me move on. Okay, the next thing. Oh, I remember this now. I remember Stephanie, the I can never remember her thing. The outspoken horsewoman, Stephanie. She got this too, and hers was leaking, and I was so glad they put it in a bag because I'm like, I haven't got my box yet, and mine's probably already leaked all over the place because it's been on vacation around the world, but no, actually, it's not. Look at that. Huh, it's not wet, so this is good. And so, what is it? I forgot what that is, though. Okay, this is the, hold on, M. Greengrass. Oh, here it is. It's right there in front of me. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. Okay, so it's a multi-use for body, face, and hair, formulated with blend of high-quality oils for superior moisture and soft skin without feeling greasy. It's cruelty-free, and it is a dry oil spray. Sweet Clementine dry oil spray, and it retails for $36. Okay, so all right, yeah, I'm not into dry oils and stuff like that, but I'm afraid to put it in a giveaway because I mean it made it here, but I don't know if it's gonna make it anywhere else. But let me think about it. Yeah, and maybe I'll try using it. So yeah, that's it. And the next thing in the box is a, what is that? Does it say witch lash? Yeah, it does say that. Witch lash. I'm going to say this is a mascara. And Witch Lash is by a Medusa Makeup. Oh, it's waterproof. I can use that. It retails for $14. It's Witch Lash Mascara. El Gato Negro. That means black cat in Spanish. And it says that here afterwards. The black cat. Super thickening waterproof mascara with fuller bristle brush. Say that 3 times real fast. Why do I get all these tongue twisters in my box? Okay, vegan, cruelty-free. Okay, so it's waterproof. I'm happy about that. And so I will go ahead and save this because I do have a mascara going right now. Actually, this time, right now, I'm wearing a non-waterproof mascara. So, yeah, not good. If I wash my face and I forget, it's going to be like Raccoon Day. Okay, anyway, I can't get it to open. Oh, but look how cute, the box. It's like a flying witch on a broomstick. So anyway, I will keep this. Okay, the next thing in my box is a Architect. I had to slow down and read this, otherwise something stupid would have come out of my lips and I would have regretted it. So it is called Architect, and it is by La Splash. So what are you? Okay, you are a sculptor. Oh, lip sculptor. So it's a lip pencil and it retails for $10. It's a dual-ended sleek lip pencil with a highly pigmented lip color designed to line, define, and fill your lips. Can be worn alone or as a base. Cruelty-free. Oh, I think I remember this. When Stephanie opened it, she thought it was eyeliner because it's got that little spongy thing, the smudger on the end of it, which you don't see on lips, and I don't blame her to think that it was an eye thing. I would have thought that too. So being that I saw that video, yeah. Okay, it's a pretty color. Pretty color. There it is. And the smudger is on the other side of it. Here it is. this reminds me of, the color reminds me of Dusty Rose. I have a lipstick like this. I don't have a liner, but I have a lipstick. It's by Bobbi Brown. It's called Dusty Rose. Maybe I'll keep this. I'll check it out and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, that's that, because I don't think pencil this color. Okay, and I did tell you how much that was. Okay, cool. The last thing in my box, is it the last thing in my box? It is. Okay, you black spaghettis, stand there. Okay, is a palette. There we go. Okay, it's called Athena. And this is by Ditto Cosmetic. And let's read about it before I dig into it. Okay, this is a Athena 16 color palette. It retails for $29, so I guess it's got 16 palettes, 16 pans in there. It says Athena is the Olympian goddess of wisdom. Create noble and sophisticated eye makeup looks with this stunning mix of bright and neutral tones, vegan, cruelty-free. Okay, and I think I remember, yeah, this is the one where I kept saying to myself, okay, Stephanie, you need to say where it's made at. And I didn't think she would. And then she was going through and trying to get in there because she couldn't get into the pan because of the palette, because of these little stickers all over the place. And she said, it's made in China. I'm like, yes, yes, thank you, thank you. Because I don't know if you guys know this, or I don't know if I really said it, because I really don't like to say it because it sounds so terrible, is that I don't use any products made in China. It's not because so much of the quality of it, but to give you a background, I have an MBA in business finance, okay? And I did an in-depth study as part of my thesis to get my graduate degree in business on Chinese economy and Chinese manufacturing, right? And so, and economics pretty much is what it is. I did a study in economics, and I was floored to find out of their practices, of their labor practices, and I was very discouraged by that, and that this day and age that those things are still happening, and it's okay. And so since then, I've really tried to avoid anything made in China. It's not just makeup. I mean, you have no idea how, to what length I go to find things that's not made in China. Do you know how hard that is? Yeah, and it is actually impossible because certain things you can't help it. And so if you want to, like, you know, have any kind of plastic containers to, you know, organize your stuff, guess what? They're all made in China. So yeah. But I did find some that are made in America, and I did buy them there. Or, you know, made in other Pakistan or something like that. And I'm okay with that. Okay, so you guys, here it is. Beautiful, beautiful color story. It really is pretty. And, you know, it's a shame because I'm going to put this in a upcoming giveaway sometime. So I have so many to give away. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, yeah. And so now you know why I'm always looking at the back of the label and say, okay, what is this? What is this? And the thing is, I'm looking for where it's made because that actually determines right away if it's made in China, I'm going to put it in a giveaway. So, yeah, that's the way it goes. And, you know, I know you guys may not agree with me, and that's okay. And I respect that. And this is the reason why I'm okay to give it, because people, you have the right to use whatever you want. And, you know, I'm not going to use it. But if you're okay with it, I'm okay with it. And the thing is, I hate for it to go to waste as well. But I'm a little stubborn when it comes to that stuff. And it's really hard to redirect me once I have these things set in my head, right? And so my husband struggles with this all the time, because if I have an idea set in my head and I'm saying I'm not going to do it because of, you know, I have a good reason why, then I'm not going to. And so, yeah, until they change their labor practices, their manufacturing practices, then, you know, change their economic, you know, way they do things, I'm still going to always avoid that. But like I said, please, 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 I don't hold it against anybody who uses things. And I definitely don't want you to be affected by how I see things, okay? So, but that's just my opinion, all right? Okay, some more beautiful wildflowers. Oh, and another thing too, it's more for you guys, right? So, okay, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and ring that bell button so that way you'll know every time I upload a new video. And so thank you so much, you guys, for spending your time with me. And I know if you're watching this, you've seen this unboxing already. I'm sure you have. But for you to really spend a few minutes with me and watch me unbox something that you've already seen, that means a lot to me. And thank you so much. Okay, so anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, please have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.